In this video, I'll show you how to connect a landline phone to an Xfinity modem. This process mainly involves setting up the voice port, and overall, it's very simple as long as everything is prepared properly. First, check whether your Xfinity modem has a telephone port. On the back of the modem, look for a port labeled with a small phone icon. That symbol indicates the voice or telephone port. Also, make sure your Xfinity voice service is active before attempting the setup. Next, you'll need an RJ11 telephone cable. This cable is smaller than an Ethernet cable and usually comes with your landline phone. It's important to use an RJ11 cable specifically for this connection. Take one end of the RJ11 cable and plug it into the back of your telephone, locating the RJ11 port on the phone itself. Then connect the other end directly into the phone-labeled port on your Xfinity modem. Your wiring should be straightforward. The modem's power cable connects to its power input as usual. The RJ11 cable runs directly from your landline phone to the telephone port on the modem. Ignore any nearby Ethernet ports, as those are used for internet connections, not for landline phones. If you want to connect more than one telephone, you can use a telephone splitter. Plug the RJ11 cable into the splitter, which then provides multiple ports so you can connect additional landline phones to the same modem voice line. Keep in mind that a standard phone cannot connect directly if your modem does not have a built-in telephone port. In that case, you'll need an analog telephone adapter, ATA. The ATA acts as a bridge between your modem and your landline phone. Also, remember, only RJ11 cables work for this type of connection, not Ethernet cables. Once everything is properly connected, your landline phone will function just like a traditional home phone, but it will operate through your Xfinity Internet service. That's how you connect a landline phone to an Xfinity modem. If this helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more helpful guides.